You're having fun over the weekend and your brake rotor breaks. It completely severs in half. It is no longer connected in any way. But you have a welder. I think we can fix this. Step one, take the caliper off. With your bolts out, you can take the whole bracket and everything off. See, leave your pads in there. Pads look good. Rotor's just broke. I think we can save this one. So, take your two pieces, one piece at a time. Look, looks like a 1990s Honda Civic drum brake. You're gonna need a nice flat surface. Mint. Other piece, look at there. Still good, still good. Boom. You gotta set these back up. Find your welder. Maybe you have a Lincoln, maybe you have a Vulcan, maybe you have a Miller. I don't know. But this is where it gets interesting. The key to welding is having a clean, prepped surface. So, let's take it back apart real quick. Grab this Johnny right here. Let's make sure the surface is completely clean. Now, take and apply your ground lead to your brake rotor. And if you don't have a good ground lead on your old shitty welder, grab a pair of vice grips. They'll clamp anything. Just like this. Yeah, give it the clamps. Boom. Nice solid connection. Alright, remember, you don't need a welding hood if you close your eyes fast enough. Gas is on. Bam. Oh, it welds beautifully. Let's go around and do that 3,876 other times, and we'll have it back together. Now that it's completely welded up, don't worry, we'll clean that up with the grinder all the way around. Let's get on the brake lathe and make it pretty. Alright, once you get it on your brake lathe, you chuck it up. It's probably going to be a little out of round. We just welded it, but don't worry, this thing will cut it flat. Oh yeah, it's a little cattywampus, but all we got to do is throw the brake rotor in right here. Oh, you touched it. Hold on. Let's move that back. It's perfectly fine. Alright, and I like to take, when you have this on the brake lathe, you know, grab your wire wheel, and just, it's good. Just while it's on here, you know, get the top part so the lathe isn't going to touch here and on the front and everything, and then just let the lathe do its thing. It'll take a few passes to get it true. Don't worry, this will work. And if you've done it right, with a little bit of help of some spray paint, a grinder, grinding the welds while it's rotating so it's all completely flush. And I mean, I told you, it would cut true. It took a little bit, but now you got a brand new rotor. You saved yourself 80, 90 bucks. Put it back on the car, it should perform just as brand new. And that's how you fix a brake rotor. All you need is a brake lathe, a welder, some spray paint, a little bit of elbow grease.